And Ma, when the world, when all the people around praised me as a child, did you feel goosebumps? I remember you stroking and caressing me when I lay on your lap and hugging me. And I remember the time you used to kiss my forehead with pride when everyone spoke about me. But when I cried, I remember as a little child you were always giving me ice creams or chocolates. But when I grew up, I felt that you were moving away. But your words say that it was your heart that was crying, that teardrops were falling. Ma, I never realized this. Am I the light, the glow of your eyes? Does your entire world just stop if I started crying? How sweet, Ma.
கருவம் ஓங்கி வளருதடி உன் கண்ணில் நீர் வழிந்தால் என் நெஞ்சில் ஓதிரம் கொட்டுதடி என் கண்ணீர் பாவை என்றோ கண்ணம்மா என் கண்ணீர் பாவை என்றோ கண்ணம்மா என் உயிர் நின்னதென்றோ
This piece is sung by one of the greatest Carnatic musicians, one of them. She is known as Bombay Jayashree. She has sung for some of the movies too, but she is very, very prominent as a classical Carnatic musician, and I have used her recording, and recently I performed this for the National Dance Festival at Chandigarh, where my student Vasudha and another student Atmika accompanied me. So I thought this was an ideal place to make all the mothers remember how they felt towards their child. That was Vatsalya for you. Thank you. Thank you. I have really enjoyed presenting this journey, taking you through this journey, giving you a glimpse of Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam, what I showed you, is just a drop in the ocean. It goes on, and there's so much. I have been in this profession for more than 5 decades, and I'm still a student of Bharatanatyam. And I think I'll continue to be a student. I don't want to stop being a student, because the pleasure of learning is the most beautiful thing. I learn every day from my students what I can correct when I dance, when I'm correcting them. So, as much as I am their teacher, they are my teachers too. Thank you.
Thank you, Vani. Thank you. That was absolutely moving performance. I'm sure all of us remembered our mothers, and some of us remembered our children. It was absolutely stunning. And coupled with the graceful, articulate explanations that took you through the journey of Bharatanatyam, how it evolved, how the children learn, I think it was brilliant. So you have provided us, Vani, this evening a treat. So please accept a token of our appreciation. On behalf of Flow, may I request Rati to come forward, please. Thank you, Rati. We now move on to the much awaited segment of the evening's lineup. Our members have put in their heart and soul into creating a memorable and vibrant display of authentic traditional saris paired with exotic temple jewelry. A Kanjivaram sari is naturally woven by pure mulberry silk. According to legends in Hindu mythology, Kanchi silk weavers are the descendants of sage Markanda, the master weaver of the gods. Kanjivarams became prestigious during Krishnadevaraya's time. There were 2 weaving communities, Devangas and Saligars. Even today, the people living around Kanchipuram town in Tamil Nadu take up weaving as their main profession. Gracious, gorgeous, breathtaking temple jewelry has caught the fancy of modern Indian women. It is intricate, ornate, and can turn any outfit into a dressy one. Temple jewelry is inspired by temples and cultures from across the country. With their royal and elegant designs and styles, they can bedazzle anyone and add that touch of glamour to any occasion. The jewelry this evening is sponsored by C. Krishna Shetty and Jewelers, Bangalore. I do not want to keep you all waiting any longer, and my fellow Bangalore chapter members who are all ready to walk the ramp for you in their gorgeous Kanjivarams and jewelry. So let the music begin. Music, please.